The newest strategies to combat wolves, AC/DC and Scarlett Johansson. In an unexpected twist, the government has turned to unconventional methods to safeguard livestock from predatory wolves. Utilizing drones equipped with speakers, they emit jarring sounds, including heavy metal music and recordings of human arguments, to deter these wild animals. Located in McDowell, California, a team of forensic experts disembarked from their pickup trucks and spread out into the forest, searching for evidence related to a brutal attack on livestock. Justin Ranglak, a researcher from the USDA specializing in predator control, likened their efforts to a wildlife crime scene investigation. He crouched down to examine fresh paw prints that led to a nearby pasture, where hundreds of cows were grazing anxiously, clearly disturbed by the recent events. This innovative approach raises intriguing questions about the intersection of technology and wildlife management. Could the use of music and sound be a game changer in protecting livestock? Or does it merely scratch the surface of a much deeper issue regarding human-wildlife conflict? As we explore these methods, it's essential to consider the broader implications of such strategies. Are we truly addressing the root causes of these predatory behaviors? Or are we just putting a Band-Aid on a larger problem? What do you think? Join the conversation and share your thoughts.